I know our position on this path.
Scarran shock teams, containing a small number of troops, delivering a high body count.
Looks like they went street by street. Extermination pattern.
Well, now they're down there.
How hard's it gonna be for everybody to leave each other alone?
Impossible, I'd say.
I would like you to name the baby Rigel.
Maybe. If it's a girl.
All right, folks. When things go to hell in a handbasket, we meet here. It's a good spot for Moya to pick us up with the docking web.
Okay, everyone. Let's move out.
Very impressive subjugation.
I dread my cities looking like this.
Hi, Grunschlick. Going somewhere?
Oh, I suspect you have some serious issues.
Shoot the traitor.
I'm not a traitor.
Well, someone relayed our location to the Scarrans after we left.
Someone else.
Have you signaled to anyone that we're here?
Signal. I'm trying to get away.
From a Scarran weapon.
So, we use that trick all the time.
Look, Missy New Eyes, my dealings with the Scarrans are purely financial.
Okay, enough talk. Either we kill him or we take him with us.
Take him.
Hey, shh, Scarrans.
Okay, down.
Go, go.
We can take those dreadnoughts on.
A pulse blast would bring 100 Scarrans. They don't know where we are. I want to keep it that way.
Don't move.
Right, there's enough here for both of us.
Outside the temple.
Yes, Captain. We're on approach, so hold your fire.
Oh, thank Jack. We were worried it was another Scarran insurgency team. And
Braca! Open the doors.
Good to see you. You're the reinforcements.
No, we're the band. Looks like Kiss was your opening act.
Pharrell, I'm in the wrong band.
Report. 6 of our troops, 2 trained Eidelons, 4 others who refused to bear arms. The Diagnostian, minimal munitions.
At least the Scarrans don't know we're here.
Let's keep it that way. Sergeant?
He's a spy. Watch him.
I am not a spy! Dog!
Empress Starleak, I report. My spy is trapped inside one of the city's largest edifices. Most interestingly, with Crichton.
So, he lives.
Rectified shortly.
I continue to keep your future seat warm for you.
Stark, you're the reason we came.
Is Momo here?
Yes, she's round the corner. Do you have a plan?
Yeah, we had a good plan till your guys shot us down. I don't suppose they'd loan us a ship, would they?
No, I'm afraid Commandant Grazer is focusing on other issues.
Grazer? Grazer.
The Grand Chancellor's dead.
I suggest we observe Operation Silence. Fortify our defenses. John?
Doc! Your water just broke. That means the baby's coming. Doc! Big baby, that's good.
The timing isn't.
Considering the amount of firepower it takes to drop a single Scarran, we're going to be in a little bit of trouble later.
We should disassemble the weaker munitions, make our own shock grenades.
Arts and crafts. She's gonna be a great mom.
She's right about the fortifications.
Captain Brecker, Scarrans, take cover!
Small arms, a lot of weaponry.
Okay, everyone, help me close up this door!
War Minister, the structure is surrounded and primed for takeover.
Excellent. When we attack, the Peacekeeper female is to be left for me.
I just spoke to pilot. Said he won't be ready till dawn.
So at least a couple of arms. Is there anything I can do to help?
Oh, I think you've done enough already. If this was a Sebastian child, a pure one, it would have been born long ago. So how long is this going to take?
Well, on Earth, it can last days.
I have killed men for less.
Hey, baby birthing was not part of the original deal. Hey, we will be renegotiating.
How's it going?
I've explained the process as best I understand it. When they finish meditating,
We are ready.
High Priestess, prepare yourself.
The legends are true. Our heritage, yonder Lars knowledge, lies within me.
It has left me completely. Will you be able to educate the others?
Of course.
And make peace?
Our numbers are too few. Many more are necessary to make a lasting contribution.
We might be able to do something about that. Jothy, pick up the phone.
Hello, Crichton.
Naranti, what the hell are you doing?
Rescuing Eidelons. What are you doing?
Where's Jothy?
Gone on reconnaissance with his men. Their comms are off.
Well, what's the situation there?
Any Eidelon that isn't already dead appears to be hiding with us. Upwards of 100, I'd say. I'm in charge, Crichton. Jothy has made me an honorary commando.
Tell me he didn't give you a gun.
Most certainly. But pulse packs are in short supply, so it's not loaded.
Moya won't be able to pick them up all together. She'll barely be able to take us.
Listen, Grandma, call us when Jothy gets back.
There's a lot happening. I'll try and remember. I have to go now.
We can get you 100.
If we were all to be reunited, peace is possible.
Just keep doing your thing. We'll get you there. That's a fantastic job. You're the Johnny Appleseed of Detente.
Thank you, thank you.